So what is up guys, my name is Nico, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video I'm gonna give you guys what you guys want, a hairstyle tutorial. I've gotten a lot of DMs and comments saying to do one or how to do my hair, so I figured let's do one today. I've been talking about clothes for a minute now, so doing my hair is something different for the channel. My hair isn't anything crazy, you just put a little work in and you can achieve this. You don't need to buy anything expensive, you don't need to put in hours of work to achieve this. It's really easy, and if you follow the step you should be able to get where I am with this hairstyle. Alright, before I start, one question that everybody has been asking me is what do I ask my barber when I get my hairstyle. So my hair is a little longer right now, and usually my hair isn't usually this long after I cut it. It's usually a little shorter, but I haven't had the chance to go to the barber and cut my hair. So what I ask for is on the side I say I taper, but from the bottom 1 to 3, so and then just taper it. And at the top, I just cut it a little bit, just like right on your eye. It's a little longer right now, just so like right on the eye, and I cut it just right there. And for the back, I tapered the back as well, and the ears as well tapered. Nothing crazy, so just taper, cut a little bit on top to make sure it's like right on your eyes. And yeah, nothing crazy. And so yeah, let's start the tutorial. Alright, so first and foremost, you want to make sure your hair is wet to make it easier to manage and to style. Alright, so as soon as my hair is wet, I usually grab my paste. I've been using this Got To Be Phenomenal hair paste. I don't spend crazy amount of money on hair products. As long as you know how to do your hair products wouldn't really matter. So I stay the cheap side, affordable, like this one. Also, for hair paste, I like to use a matte finish hair paste just because I like the dry look. For me, it adds more volume, like a volume look to it. So I'm gonna be using the paste before I blow dry and after I blow dry it, just because it adds a little more volume to it and it's easier to manage instead of just dealing with dry, no product hair. I feel like it's easier to style it a little bit with paste before you blow dry. So I'm gonna use a little bit for now, just like a fingertip worth. Put it in my palm and just rub it all over, make sure it's everywhere. And I just style it back pretty much. I don't really do anything crazy, I just make sure it gets on everything, on the sides, on the back. As soon as you applied your paste, what I do is I grab my blow dryer and start blow drying it. So how I blow dry my hair, okay, so I blow dry this side back, so this side is this half of the hair back, as well as the side, and then the back as well. I'm going to blow drying it to the other side. So I'll blow dry this back, and this hair, when I'm blow drying it, I usually just like lean on the left side and just scrunch it while I'm blow drying it to really just add more volume to it, and it looks a little more curly, because when it's curly it looks more volumized. So I just crunch it while I'm blow drying this side, or whatever side you want it down. For me it's the left side, so just crunch it and make sure the front is crunched as well, leaving the other side blow dried back. So as you guys can see, right after I blow dried it, it looks more volumized just because I already added the paste before the blow drying process, and as well as I was crunching it to just really pull on the hair, add some more volume to that and make it look thick and curly. So as you guys can tell, usually I don't finish after I blow dry. I usually put a little bit more. So I grab a little bit more paste and add it just to make sure everything is in place and nothing will just go everywhere when it hits the wind or something like that. So I just grab a little more and I just usually just style it, mess around with it. I really just make sure everything is in place and it's not easy to just mess up, because I don't like when my hair gets messed up too easily. So I make sure it's in place hard enough to protect any wind from messing it up. or anything like that. In the front, if your front is not too volumized, this is really like my favorite part. It's like the front. Sometimes what I do is I do this to the front to really just get in there and just add to really get the product in there. And sometimes when I'm doing my hair, when I want to style it a little different, sometimes I put this down, like this side down, and just like add. Make sure you get the product in there. I make sure this is some. And sometimes I put this down just to add a little bit effect, not effect, just add a little style to it. But for this video, I'm just gonna show you guys just like this, my usual hair. Hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you guys do enjoy, hit the likes, comments drop down below. I did this because you guys wanted me to do this, and yeah, it'd be appreciated if you guys did leave a like and comment. But with that being said, hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys later.